LURSKY Hedge trimmer. This also doubles as a grass trimmer. So you've got this grass trimmer attachment right here. The very nice thing is it comes with these covers, so you can simply slide the blades into them like that, and it protects you when it's not in use. This trimmer has an easy removable battery right here. Cable comes with it to charge. Simply slide it on and you're ready to go. You've got this safety switch right here. You just press that up and then press this button. You've got a chip guard right here, so that protects you from anything that might fly off the blades. It's really easy to remove. And then attach on the grass attachment. You've got this rotatable part right here, so you can cut the grass more easily. Simply press the button and it rotates. As you can see, that work was done in a matter of seconds, and now I cleared up this pathway right here to go ahead and walk easily through. As you can see, it also cut this grass with ease. Overall, I highly recommend this hedge trimmer if you want a great tool that's easy to use and get landscaping done in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching.